guys, welcome back. So after a long wait of time, I'm finally deciding to put on the carbon fiber trunk on my S2000. Last step to my carbon fiber look that I want is gonna be the hood, so I'm pretty excited. We are 2/3 of the way there, so let's get installing it. Hopefully it's pretty easy. We do lose a third brake light and the little key access hole, so that's gonna be a bummer, but not the end of the world because it looks cool and it's a race car, so it's fine. Let's get to it.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go.
Carbon fiber trunk is on. Trying to perfect fitment because the paint on this car is terrible and it's just chipped off because it slightly tapped it. It's going well. But we're getting there. We're getting closer. Almost. Good enough for what it is. And it looks cool and that's all that matters.
It's the most important part, really.
It is. It is. Almost there.
And this.
We're back to square one again, but it'll be fine. Everything's fine. It's all fine. Okay, so we've gotten fitment on the trunk, pretty much as good as it's gonna get for being an aftermarket carbon fiber trunk. So it's not too terrible. This was like our struggle side, but not horrible considering. And you know, it's mainly about the 5-foot aesthetic, and that's perfectly fine. So you know, we're doing the thing, and I think that'll be a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.